ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯛꯇꯗ ꯇꯣꯝ ꯇꯤꯚꯤꯕꯨ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯖꯣꯂꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ
ꯗꯥꯏꯅꯥꯅ
ꯇꯔꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ
ngasi ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ sangai festival ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯅꯤꯅꯤ ꯁꯨꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ Manipur Trade and Expo Center ꯂꯝꯕꯣꯏ ꯈꯣꯡꯅꯥꯡꯈꯣꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯃꯛꯇꯗꯅꯤ ꯏꯆꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯁꯤꯒꯦ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯦ
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯗꯥꯏꯅꯥ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯥꯏꯇꯦꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯦ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯣꯝ ꯇꯤꯚꯤꯕꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯁꯤ ꯆꯪꯉꯁꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯅꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯒ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨꯁꯤꯔꯥ
ꯃꯥꯅꯤ ꯏꯆꯦ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯜꯔꯦꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯥꯏꯇꯦꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯕꯨꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕꯗꯨꯅꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯦꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯛꯏꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯏꯆꯦ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯆꯪꯁꯜꯂꯒ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜ ꯇꯨ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜ ꯆꯪꯉꯒ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯨꯔꯁꯦ
ꯆꯪꯉꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯆꯩꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯉꯁꯤ 2 daysꯅꯤꯀꯣ 2 daysꯁꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯉꯔꯥꯡꯒ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯕꯤꯒꯦ ꯃꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ
Ngasina helle ngarangdi just half days tawbanina ko ngasina helle haitare yam sille haitare
ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗꯦ ꯀꯌꯥꯗꯒ ꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯆꯤꯡꯈꯠꯂꯛꯄ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯦꯛꯀ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯁꯥꯔ
so maybe after 3 days
after 3 days
hoi hayengse Sunday ni na ko Sunday dagi mi yam ga dobu male
ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯤꯁꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯤꯠꯄꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯉꯥꯏ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯏꯟꯖꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯣꯀꯣ
yam nungaijere
Excuse me, ma'am. Kari lamdagi oibirabano? Okay. The stall is Thailand? Okay. So the stall is from Thailand. Can I know your good name? Your good name?
Achla. Yeah.
So is this your first time coming to Manipur?
Yes, first time.
How do you feel?
Oh, very good.
Very good. So what are these things?
Clay flower.
Okay. In Thailand, what do you call it?
ดอกไม้ดินญี่ปุ่นดอกไม้ดินญี่ปุ่นค่ะ
Okay. So what's the price of this? The price.
150
150.
Yes.
Okay, stall owners na haibirisi lairiba koigi mini flower pot asi koigi 150 rupees ne na haibiri. It's really beautiful. Yam phazai. Koigi top po oi haitare yamna apik po oiragasu yam phazaba entertaining oi.
ꯃꯦꯂꯥ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯣ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ
ꯃꯦꯂꯥ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯇꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯔꯥꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯅꯦ
ꯍꯧꯔꯥꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯅꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕ
ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯩ ꯅꯍꯥꯟꯃꯨꯛꯁꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯦ
ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯒꯦ
ꯑꯁ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯤꯞ ꯅꯨꯡ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯇꯩꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯎꯞꯁꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯡ ꯏꯌꯥꯔꯤꯡ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯥꯁꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯑꯦ
ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯩ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ ꯃꯦꯝ
ꯍꯣꯏ
Can I know your good name?
Your good name What's your name
My name is Kongwood from Thailand.
From Thailand. So is this your first time in Manipur?
This is second
Second time.
time.
How do you feel coming to Manipur?
Very.
Okay. So what are these bags called in Thailand and what's the price?
This is a big size, 700, and small size, 500.
So the materials, what are they made from?
These are cotton. Made of cotton. Yes, this made by hand.
And what about there? The bags hanging on the wall? Yeah.
These have 600. 600 is made of jute and cane.
And what about those small bags?
This one is bag 100 baht.
Thank you. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ Thailand made products ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯕꯦꯒ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯕꯦꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯎꯠꯆꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯖꯒꯦ
ꯃꯦꯂꯥꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯥꯔꯅꯤ
ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯦꯂꯥꯁꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯆꯍꯤꯒ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯆꯍꯤꯒꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯝꯕꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯐꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯒꯅꯤ ꯈꯟꯕꯤꯒꯦ
ꯍꯧꯗ ꯉꯥꯏꯕꯅ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯦ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯍꯪꯆꯤꯠ ꯀꯀꯥ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯏꯃꯥꯟ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯆꯍꯤꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀ ꯆꯞ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯎꯔꯤ
Can I know your good name?
My name Anchari, Thailand.
Okay. So is this your first time coming to Manipur?
I came here last 9 years ago, but I just come back again. Yes.
Okay. So how do you feel the Sangai Festival, which is celebrated in Manipur every year?
Very nice. Yes, I'm very happy to come back here again and very happy with people here. They are very nice people. Yes.
What do you have in your stall? What are the materials? What are the items?
Yes, we have silver jewelry item, yes, here. And we also have a 100% handmade flower here for many accessories that people can do DIY item here.
Okay. And please tell us some information about these metals. Are they original? What are the price? Please tell.
This one is a silver ring with natural stone ruby, and this one price is 4,500. Yes, yes.
And some more items. What about the necklace?
Can you show bracelet? This one bracelet from the stone is natural stone and beautiful emerald. With silver, this one is 14,900.
14,000.
Yes.
And what about this necklace? The one with the big medal.
Yes. This one 14,500. Natural stone.
Natural stone.
Yes.
And what about this finger rings?
This one small size with natural stone 2,900. And we also have a silver ring starting with 500 only. Natural. Without stone, but I didn't finish packing it. We have a silver ring like this, 500 rupee only. In our store for this Sangai Festival only that we bring.
500.
500 rupee, yes.
Yes, ma'am. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ring ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ silver ring ꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯃꯜꯅ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ 500 ꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ stall ownerꯁꯤꯅ. Just let me try this ring whether it looks beautiful or not.
Oh, sorry.
이제수 ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ringꯁꯦ ꯑꯝꯇꯪ try ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯣ. 이제수 ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯀꯣ ꯐꯖꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤ 이제. ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯊꯥꯏꯂꯦꯟꯒꯤ metalsꯤꯡꯁꯦ. ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯅꯦ. 이체가 아이가세 아마맘 거기 try 떠라가 yenge yam phasaye. Let's show to the viewers that would say iche kwa. Sizzalaga mayamdu uchage mayamna pambiragadi sida lakpiyu mamanju yam honge only 100 khatani soi da mayam la sai khanbiyo phajadro daina phajai ko ai jani mak loi phase hai karam bakhan doi no khangre I stole a red Thailand store. Aduga I already bought an earring. Look at this, yam phasare. And earrings se kharang augzai but sila so mo attract to redna masak phasabi lai sabi amaka so thengna jare. Wari watai sanazabagi tanza laugzage. Sisu another Thailand store ni. Excuse me. May I know your good name?
Nupui.
Okay. So this is a Thailand store and may I know you are from Thailand?
Yeah, Bangkok.
From Bangkok. Okay. Can you please tell me the price ranges, the products you are having here in your stall?
It's all it started from 50 rupees. There's a different price for 50 rupees, 100, 150 like that. We sell it cheap price.
Starting from 50 rupees, the maximum rupees, how much?
This accessories 200 like that. This 200.
So starting from 50 rupees, akoigi 50 rupees tagi hauraga lupa sama sani phawgi range accessories mayam amse leire haina akoigi Thailand store gi leisabi asina akoida haibirei aduga maroina yes excuse me, may I know the price of this? 50. See here bills 50 rupees ni aduga, and what is this?
Yes, please 2-in-1 this one.
Okay, so this is also a nail color.
100.
How do we use this two color?
This one 2-in-1. This one glitters.
Amana akoigi sparkle yawa aduga amana akoigi normal color.
Plain one. New fashion. We have tops also. New fashion.
So
Bangkok.
I mean, like, is this your first time coming here in Manipur? Second time. So how do you feel?
It's very nice. Nice place. And the weather and the people as well.
Do you see any changes like last year and this year?
No, it's still the same.
Okay, enjoy Sangai Festival. Thank you.
अखोई लेजरीबा परमानेंट एग्जिबिशन हॉल हाइब स्टेदा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फैकल्टी से अखोई हॉल अममम की मरी स्टेदा 400 कैपेसिटी की स्टॉल ने हाइब कैपेसिटी मरी की स्टॉल स्टेदा आउटसाइड स्टेट कोई आउटसाइड स्टेट मणिपुर अमदी आउटसाइड इंडिया मधु लाइब सिंह से मरुना हानसु मयामना खंबिरमगनी थाईलैंड अदगी अखोई साउथ कोरिया अदगी इजिप्ट अदो मरुना अदगी अखोई थंगरैबा अखोई युमलो नेबा म्यांमार दगी स्टॉल मैम अमा अदो इंडिया की स्टेट मैम अमा अदुना हजिकी हाइबा जापान सुलाई अदो हजिकी हाइबा अखोई स्टॉल मेन मरुना इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर द लेजरीबा अखोई परमानेंट एग्जिबिशन हॉल सिगी 400 कैपेसिटी की मरी सिटी अखोई आउटसाइड सिंग सिगी दो अखोई सिंजरे हंदक सही ओइना अदो अखोई मणिपुर स्टेट को मपान की पेविलियन सिंग सिदा सिंजबा अदो हाबियो
यम नोजे सर अदो ममांग सहीगा हनक सहीगा खेनबसे सर करम हनक सहीना करम मखल करम आइटम दा खेनब हेंगत पीबगे हाबिदो अदो अमत खतंग थंबियो
हंदक सही ओइना अखोई सही की अखोई लेप्तना साथजरीबा अखोई सांगाई फेस्टिवल का मरी लेनना अखोई स्टेट के ओइबा फंक्शन दा गवर्नमेंट के स्पॉन्सर की मखादा अखोई कनोना नोडल एजेंसी ओइना अखोई मणिपुर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की पाइजब सहीदा ongoing chathar hapta dagi na khoi sigi permanent exhibition hall si hakum dagi sangairaga lakpa sigi on trend da khoni yangjabada mapan gi khoi gi live stall sing se yamna tapna na te masi bulk te henglai habidi akhoi na mayam su khangbiram gani Thailand gi obi stall se manga tara akhoi lam dagi hojik mayam na ubiragani haidiba akhoi gi 400 habidi 1600 ki stall se akhoi outside sing si dagna akhoi loina log re haijariba aduna takpadi akhoi mayam na ubiragani Thailand की स्टॉल से 400 की वाना ट्रेव सिगी कैपेसिटी ले लेप्सरी होल से मक्ता 400 कैपेसिटी से ऑल सी थाईलैंड गाक्तनी असा कन पे याउतेबा थांगनरिबा सोम नाकली की होल दुदसु थाईलैंड की गाक्तनेबा एक्सेप्ट सलाई की स्टॉल मरी खंगतना अदुगा मनिंगी सिदे लेबा अखोगी मेनली अखोगी इजिप्ट की लाइबा कांगु सिंगस्ती यामना वर्ल्ड क्लास की ओबा ऑर्नामेंटल की पोट यामना यावे वीआईपी सिंगी ओबा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फैकल्टी ऑर्नामेंटल एनी लेबा सिंगस्ती वर्ल्ड क्लास की केदर दा ओइना लापि हजरी अदि अमना अखोई मनिंग थंबा सरुक की हॉल नंबर 3 दा लेबा सिंगस्तना इंडिया की ओबा स्टेट सिंगी ओबा अतांग पोट मैम अखोई समना यूटेंसिल आइटल ग्राइंडर अदुदा एनी अखोई हाउस होल्ड यूटेंसिल मैम की अखोई अमुक्त उदब मोंगदा मखल मखल की अनोब के मैम मैम सुम उबीगनी मसी खैने अखोइना थमजरी
So may I know your good name, sir?
My name is Karman Tashi, and I'm from Tibet.
Okay. So Tibet agini ozasi do wari watai sanazabagi tanzado luxury. Okay, sir, how do you feel coming to Manipur in the first?
I feel very, excellent over here. I feel very good over here. I'm excited to come over here to participate this Sangai Festival, especially in Manipur. Yes.
So, is this your first time coming to Manipur?
Yes, I'm coming in first time in this Sangai Festival, participating here. Yes.
So, like, what special items you are bringing here in your stall?
Now we have in our stalls all our Tibetan items, as like a bag and other accessories are also. There's so many items we have in Tibetans.
Okay.
Yes.
And I mean, like you are already excited in your first visit in Manipur, so
yes.
probably I'm sure you are like planning to come again and again in Manipur.
Sure. Why not? Why not? If God's allowed us again over here, we definitely will come and again to participate. More Tibetan come and get together over here, surrounding in this world, and Tibetans are here.
And how do you feel the people of Manipur?
Very sweet people and very smiley and very frank. Everyone is very frank for us. Yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're
Please
welcome.
enjoy Sangai Festival
Thank you.
2018. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Koigi somgi section sida changsilaga atopa kari stall sing hai tare maruina South Africa su laizari aduga Egypt su lai haire duna changsilaga amuk koi yengminabagi khadong chama du logjage. Excuse me. Hi. So you're from South Africa, right?
Yes.
Okay, may I know your good name?
My name is Hannah Suping.
Okay. So is this your first time coming to Manipur?
No, this is my second time.
Wow, that's great. How do you feel?
It's beautiful. I love the place. The hills look beautiful. The people are nice and friendly. I'm having a fabulous time. This is why I came back for the second time.
Okay, for the second time. Well, the materials, the accessories are lovely. Yam phasai. Viewers to koi soidana yeng biwa duga maroi na khagjan ingisi material gi matang da mulak sage. Kindly may I know the materials? I mean, like what
I'll
are the
tell you what's famous from South Africa? Like South Africa's most famous products. Most of all is camel leather, okay? These bags are made from camel leather, and camel leather is stronger than buffalo leather because this camel can stand in severe weather conditions. You know, it's a desert animal, so in the rain, in the sun, in everything, the camel can survive. So these products are all from camel leather. These are lifetime bags, okay? And then second
the price of the bag?
Okay, they start from 2,800, but I'm gonna give discount for the Manipur Festival, 2,000.
Okay.
Like these.
So, all the bags are they 2,000 each?
Yeah, they are actually 3,005, but I'm gonna give discount and make them 2,000. Okay? Slings are much cheaper. They are like from 1,000, 1,500, different prices. Okay. And then I'll show you one more thing. The stones. These are all original stones from South Africa. These are all mined, and so there's different types of stones, and every stone has got a purpose for it, okay? So the stones are also very famous, and these are going for 1,500, but we're gonna give a discount for 1,200 and 800, depending on the size, okay? And one more precious thing is there, I'll show you.
Kogi tongan ba items ni accessories se lik adagi bracelets bags maruina leather sing se original oi banina yam kan banina price dum haibiri but offer khara sudum lai haina stall owners na haibiri. Okay, so what's more special?
And these are skirts, okay? So these skirts are two-way skirts, okay? So you can wear them from both sides.
Well, I can wear in two ways.
Okay.
So maybe she's going to demonstrate me, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
So this is the first side, okay? So it's a wraparound.
Very beautiful.
Ah.
It's very simple to wear.
Yes,
Now
very
I'm going
simple
to be
wear.
like I'm looking like a South
South
African
African
girl.
girl, yes. So this is first side, okay? And this is second side.
Well, both sides. We can use
Yes.
it both sides.
So this is a
Baling mamang se pulap
two-in-one
ako'y
skirt.
season na ya bagi mawang ni.
Yeah.
May I know the price?
This is $850, and anybody who's coming because they've seen the advert, they can use promo TomTom. Is it TomTom? Yeah. So they can Times of Manipur. Okay, so they can use the TOM promo and they can get it for 600.
Well,
Okay.
Maroy na koigi Times of Manipur sigi promo se puraga lakpa mi hai tare koigi staff lamjing bagi staff oiro koi Times of Manipur gi staff oina Tom TV gi koigi sigi banner hai tare ko. If we bring this, the beautiful lady is going to give us a discount on only
600.
Okay, 600 rupees ta khaktang phangani hai na video. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Aduna mayam lakpiro koigi South Africa gi stores dagi apam pot khanbiraga logba lak koigi leiba lakpiro haizake. And yes, I see the necklaces there.
Yeah, these are also.
May I know the price?
Okay, the necklaces range from 500, 800, depending on the design. Like this type here. This is a 3-layer necklace, okay? 1, 2, 3 layers, and it's only for 500, okay? And then we've got rings as well.
Okay. My colleague is going to try the finger rings. Iche finger rings. I'm to try. Taraga mayam to utse viewers ta ko ayam phasaye.
Okay, you can see this one now.
Viewers ta utsi. Okay, one more please. One more.
Here. One more, I'll give you this shape. multicolored, so for all sorts of different. Okay, these are 350, but for promo code Tom, they can get it for 200.
Same price.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
200.
I'm really happy that the lady is giving us so much of offers and discounts, especially for the Tom TV. Aduna Tom TV ki sige banner se yauraga porak taragadi hariba ring set 350 piba ring set she will be giving us only at rupees 200 only.
Only.
Okay.
All right, and so the skirts and the rings promo with the Tom, for the Tom promo, they can get it for less price. Okay. Yeah.
Well, I see the some statues are there. Are they from South Africa? Okay. Sadat sumda koi phazaba attractive oiba koi gi statue macha masa sukhara ure. Iche somda statue macha masa sukhara ure ko. Mayam da so viewers da so utse. I'm moving there. I'm coming there. Okay.
Unfortunately, I'm not done with it. Unfortunately, I'm not done with the setup, but I'll still show you. Okay. So this is a family tree. Okay, we call this family tree. So keeping this in your home is, in ancient times, we used to believe this is for protection and unity. So if you have this protection from anything like bad energies and everything. So this is like in ancient times, but now this is a showpiece, and we value this because it has been in our tribe for so long. Okay, so this is going for 2,000. Tom promo I'll give for 1,500. Okay, so there's 3 designs. Okay, this one here. Okay.
Do you give specific names for each of the statues?
Okay, this one is family tree. In my language, is kabalung kom. Okay.
So maroina family tree haina khangnai haina hairi maroina khoi gi South Africa gi ancient belief ki matung ina hari ba pot si sigumba statue sing se thamagadi khoi gi phatta haudi haigadra evil kaino ko khom leidana adugum tagi ngak thok bangam me haina adugum belief ama lei na haibiri. Okay, so huzigi oina di huzigi trend da lei si just for fashion, just for khoi gi phajana bagi damakta yumda thambagi. Okay.
Okay, so there's 3 types, okay? So there's this type as well, okay? This one we call it umqoqo, okay? And then this one as well, we call it this one umdingi.
Okay. Why we see only three faces, and why do we see here? I mean, like
many faces. Okay, so depending on the size of your family, you would get this. So this one here covers 3 families. So it's the mother and the father and the child. Okay. You can see this one is smaller because this is the child, okay? And then this one here would cover a whole family of more children. So depending on your size, this is what you'd get.
So basically, it's for a bigger family.
Bigger family.
Okay, thank you so much for joining Times of Manipur. You gave lots of information. Enjoy Sangai Festival 2018. Thank you.
So much. It was nice meeting you too. Bye guys. Come and visit, okay?
Okay. Salat somda so muksang sing sikwa. Maroi na koi uzari se koi gift fazaraba lai hai tare beautiful flowers me ama uzare stole the sangsan sage. Hi. Okay, we are from Tom TV, Times of Manipur. It's a private satellite channel in Manipur. Okay, please join us. Yes. May I know your good name?
Ratana.
Okay, and
Rebecca.
so basically, where are you from?
We are from Bangkok, Thailand.
Bangkok, Thailand.
Yes.
Okay, this the flowers are really lovely, and may I know the price and like the materials? What are they made from? Can you please explain? Let's start from here.
All right. Okay, if the flower or the big ones are like this, 100 per stick, or small one, 50 per stick, and all of this is all from handmade product. And this one made from cotton. This one look like this, made from rubber rib.
Okay.
Rubber
So
rib.
what's the price of this?
This one 400 whole set.
400 whole set.
And this one made from solar wooden.
And what about a single piece like
This
this?
one all 100 per stick.
Okay. For this 200.
100.
100 in this. Okay. And more? Some more? Tell us some more. Okay, tell us about this wooden products here. What are they called? And are they flower pots?
Most of this be made from mango wooden.
How do we use this? What is this actually?
You can put any snack, peanut or food tray.
Okay, dry fruits. Okay.
Anything about dry
and
or
these?
potpourri.
Are they flower pots?
You can put dry flower or if you have container,
Kogi wooden flower pot hai tare.
fresh flower like this.
The price of this?
This one about 700.
Maruina uzari isi koina kogi udagi semba flower pot hai tare. Price 800 700 hai biri. Well, may I know the price of this?
350.
350.
Yes.
Okay. Sarat yam phazai stol manung da lari basi maroina decorative items ngaktani viewers tasu utpagi khutong chabadu PVC aduna lari basing samtang sarat na cover to view haizari. And yes, what about those sets with the flower pots and the flowers, the whole set price?
Sometimes depend on someone want a lot, someone want just only 2-3 pieces. Depend on the customer.
So the minimum, from the minimum to maximum, what are the price? Starting from
we're starting from 200 until more than 1,000.
okay, more than 1,000. So is this your first time coming in Manipur?
This time the second time.
Second time,
Yes,
okay.
last year first time.
Okay, so what's your experience like coming last year and this year? How do you feel? What changes do you find?
I like it right here. Manipur people very nice. So.
So after, I mean like after the Sangai Festival gets over, are you planning to visit some of the beautiful places in Manipur, or do you have any plan like that? Have you ever been to the Loktak Lake?
Not yet, but we go Manipur over there, my friend house over there. Only last year, but this year we did not go. We will go Amritsar. On the first, we go Amritsar.
Okay, so like if you are in Manipur, I suggest you to please visit the Loktak Lake, which is really beautiful. Okay. Maroi na ghari se semhani hairi ko mayam yengminarasi viewers su yengbiro wari butai sanabagi tanja su dum laujake ije hana khoi gi khangmina se ko kari tawdoino haibado. Hi uncle. Okay, may I know your good name?
Yeah, my name is Paul.
And you are from?
I'm from Thailand.
Thailand.
Yeah.
So what basically you have in your stall?
We have the multi-purpose jewelry cleaner. This one is for all kind of your jewelry. You can clean us, please try. Yeah, please try us. Yeah. I will show it. It clean it, make it more shiny, sparkling. Yeah.
Maruina akhoi lairiba akhoi gi chegi ghari se akhoi gi semaga kai haitare akhoi gi langhan bagi mage adugumba kaino ne yeng minarasi mayam koi cha akhoi kari tawbage habdo. Okay. Please explain while you do it.
Yes. For the wash, we cleaning. I show you. Yeah. For wash, you use about 4 or 5 drops of the double jewelry cleaner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops. And then this is a concentrate formula, so you can mix with water. Yeah, some water around this, and then you mix it, and then you shake it for a while. If you have at home, if you have available time, you leave it for a while, maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes. But if you have not available time, you can shake it a bit. Yeah? It will dissolve the dirt. Yeah. The dirt become out very easy, but this one look like not so dirt. So we make it shining, sparkling. This okay. Okay. After
Is this only for watch or any other material?
Any material. Made this for jewelry. Yeah.
Mainly for jewelry.
Mainly for jewelry.
Maruina jewelry gi ni akhoi gi habi resi akhoi gi shining se kana batu ka phazana ba haitare akhoi han ba mana ba akhoi mosalak pa potsi hari ba drop sing se season araga hena langkhat ba piba ngam gani haina habi ri yeng minarasi mayam.
Most of all, this one is safe for your all kind of your items, safe for your hand, safe for environment also because it's biodegradable. So it's safe for all. Yeah. I think we check.
Can we use in containers for kitchen items also, or is this only for jewelry?
It's made for jewelry. Yeah, but if you have a golden knife or something like that, silver, yeah, okay, that's not okay. Yeah. So even the crystal also, like a Swarovski, chandelier, bohemian is perfect. Yeah.
Okay, let's see the magic of the what do you call this?
Yeah.
The boys. Okay, let's see the magic of the boys jewelry ornaments polisher. Hariba koigi drops is in a ichi gi ghari se kayam langa bage haibado mayam da utsi sarat.
Yeah, you can see it. It's shining now.
Wow, it's really a great change. Ichi change so bibra. Ngasai si baga kamain tawe.
Taure. Yam tin change le.
Mayam do utsi ichi. Ngasai ichi gi ghari se koi na sirak page kitang maksal laga leira mani ko ichi si biro ichi. Lang trick lang grene ko. It's really wonderful. So what's the price of this?
We have 2 sizes. The small one, 45 mil, is 600. And the big one, 90 mil, is for 900. Yes. Please come to Thai us. We are waiting for you.
Okay, thank you for joining us.
Thank you, sir. Sina haptaba first aina sirakpaduneba. Sina si sengdobaneba ko adu khenabani se amtang yengbiyu mayam punna.
Very easy for kids too. Diamond also. Diamond the best. And all kind of your spec, even your sunglasses, any lens.
Yeah, it's really beautiful.
Yeah.
Ma'am, khednabideko ngasai first sibuduga hojika yaptina chance ti leko ma'am si poche aina wakhanda aina di uzare try tawjabada si yam phayen khanjai ma'am soi dana masi lakpiyu sida duga yengbiyu try tawbiyu.
So the boys jewelry and ornaments polisher achauba macha thongna lei iche si koi mathangi koi balak padoina leirasina traisa ngasigi oina di maroina cover ta balak panina ngamjatre, but next time sure we are visiting the stall. Okay, asauba amadi macha
Ai ghari su yam thi change laigre earrings su yam thi na change laigre mise khona try tawbadadi yamna chumena khanjare hoina den mathang soi na koi lakhi na khanje ma'am soi na lakpiyu aduga dana na thajare na uramnina ma'am soi na lakpiyu.
Yes.
Yeah, we have very careful. No need. This one we call dry clean. You just drop and use your finger to spread it free, and then rinse with a wipe with a paper or cloth, and then it's now finished. And you can see how sparkling they are.
Wow, that's great, amazing. And the smell.
Nice smell.
Yes, ichi manam su yam nungsiye. Manam su it's really good. Sense yam nungsi aduga maroina environment friendly oina so haibiri aduga khogi khutna paiba matamda side effects leitaba aduni magi speciality of the product haitare. Hange price e khoi maroina chatruk aduga amana 900. Okay, thank you. Please enjoy the Sangai Festival 2018. Thank you for joining us.
Maitei gi ba traditional gi ba poti asda yawi da brahana ki yawi bra kamai to gi sa
Maitei gi oiba haijaba taragana akhoi gi mapal gi akhoi ni pijer bisaida akhoi color mari thonga sinajai akhoi green and the white ki color sina akhoi food stall gi oina pijabane aduga akhoi gi blue and the white color gi akhoi gi kano napiba akhoi carpet napiba wall gi gardening saida makha thangba sarutuna color si werga mathang na white loi weraga thamjari saida blue and the aina saijagi ba white tuna food stall ne aduna FC stall ade akhoi commercial stall guys na green and the white warangane adu akhoi department me amam laiba akhoi tourism gi laiba adi department me amam lai sida department round about 20 and above department kun samu lai akhoi sigi department sing sina akhoi pink and the white ki color de pijaba ade asam akhoi sida fabric ki lai police ki lai medical gi lai sugma me am sing sina akhoi pink and the white ki color de pijai adu akhoi manipur gi local gi aje hangbiri ba question ding matungina manipur gi local gi indigenous ta in sumyeng jabada akhoi gi manipur gi am tang na phangba sangbrai hariba pambido madugi oil dugi extract toraga akhoi haksang da so akhoi medicinal purpose mayamam kanaba se mayam thokpi gi da ubigani adumba akhoi adi akhoi manipur gi oiba infrastructure se outside base oiba targa su planet interior ni ga uliba infrastructure gi structure si yamna wangba standard na hajani adi akhoi local gi oiba indigenous ta akhoi handicrafts ki projects ki wini yangba targa na akhoi can product ki warga bamboo product ki warga akhoi yong gi fisalo sa se myam khambiram gani india amadi world gi wena akhoi fida ama kaliba crafts and cottage industry seida akhoi world gi ba standard da manipur na asigi akhoi eco amadi eco akhoi economical kanorom da akhoi india gi ba industry gi potential seida asoba share ma tawjariba akhoi manipur gi tangaba akhoi lam hanadigi lejarakba akhoi wangkhai phi adi akhoi nupi gi ba atang ba any traditional custom khudmukta sinariba atang ba phanek amadi phi gi makhal gi design sing se mela sing se ubigani hariba makhal gi tongan ba kano sing sina utpadana tana mainly akhoi gi yam chaw sector da akhoi sponsor ren leiba salai gi stall da su makhal khudimaki atang ba kano ubigani
som side da something karigumba khoi jagoi ju sana uye do karino habse khoi changchalaga di yeng jarudri akhoi changchalaga ma'am punna kai toribano kari performance no habdo khoi punna khaminarosi yengminarosi
ꯃꯔꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜ ꯇꯨ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜ ꯆꯪꯖꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯋꯥꯇꯥꯏ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯖꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯟꯖꯥꯁꯨ ꯚꯤꯌꯨꯁ ꯎꯠꯆꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯁꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯠꯑꯞꯁꯤꯗ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯃꯥ ꯃꯇꯦꯛ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯎꯠꯆꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯁꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁ ꯒꯦꯠ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯤꯠ ꯒꯦꯠ ꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯨꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯅꯤꯗ ꯁꯣꯝ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯌꯦꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯨꯁꯤ
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯒ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯣ ꯌꯣꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯐꯪꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛ ꯆꯪꯉꯒ ꯄꯣꯊꯥꯔꯒ ꯐꯝꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯐꯪꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯣ ꯍꯜꯂꯣ ꯃꯦꯝ ꯍꯜꯂꯣ ꯁꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯣ ꯐꯪꯕꯤꯔꯤꯁꯤꯕꯣ
ꯃꯣꯃꯣ ꯆꯧ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕꯅ ꯐꯪꯉꯦ
ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕꯅ ꯐꯪꯉꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯃꯜꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯄꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ
ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯇꯦꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯜꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯌꯣꯟꯕ ꯃꯃꯜꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ
ꯑꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯆꯍꯤꯒ ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯆꯍꯤꯒꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯠꯄꯒꯤ ಚಾಂಗ್ꯁꯦ ꯀꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯄꯤꯒꯦ
ꯍꯧꯗ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯤꯃꯤꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯑꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯁꯤꯠꯂꯦ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯨꯔꯥꯅ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯀꯨꯏꯔꯣ ꯁꯤꯠꯂꯛꯀꯗꯧꯕ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯁꯤꯠꯇꯔꯤ
ꯑꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜ ꯁꯉꯥꯏ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜꯁꯦ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ
ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯆꯍꯤꯒꯤꯅꯦ ꯁꯨꯛꯇꯣꯛ ꯍꯦꯛꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ
ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯔꯦ ꯊꯦꯡꯀ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯐꯝꯕꯤꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯤꯠꯄꯤꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯊꯦꯡꯀ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯍꯜꯂꯣ ꯁꯔ ꯍꯜꯂꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯇꯣꯝ ꯇꯤꯚꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯩꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯏꯃꯣꯏꯅꯨ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜ ꯃꯃꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯏꯃꯣꯏꯅꯨꯗ ꯐꯪꯕꯤꯔꯤꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯐꯪꯉꯤꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯁ ꯐꯨꯗꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯕꯗ ꯆꯤꯀꯜꯗ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯖꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯐꯪꯖꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯀꯟ ꯑꯣꯝꯂꯦꯠ ꯆꯧ ꯀꯩꯀꯩ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯖꯩ
ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯃꯜꯗꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯄꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯡ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯒꯦ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯐꯥꯔꯁ ꯇꯥꯏꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯆꯕꯅꯦ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯗꯕ ꯃꯃꯜꯁꯦ ꯀꯌꯥꯅꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯡꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯦꯅꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯣꯝ ꯅꯥꯀꯟꯗꯁꯨ ꯊꯦꯠꯆꯔꯦ
ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯥꯏꯇꯦꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯒꯦ
ꯃꯃꯜꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯀꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯥꯖꯔꯦ ꯔꯨꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯐꯨꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯖꯥꯔꯕꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯦ ꯐꯨꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯖꯥꯔꯕꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯇꯝꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯒ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯆꯕ ꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯅꯕ ꯑꯥꯏꯇꯦꯝꯁꯤꯡꯅꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯆꯟꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯐꯥꯁ ꯐꯨꯗꯀꯤ ꯑꯥꯏꯇꯦꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯕꯅꯤ
ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯀꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯡꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯌꯨ
ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖ
ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯀꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯀꯥꯕ ꯇꯥꯏꯃꯤꯡꯒ ꯁꯤ ꯐꯝꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯒꯦ
ꯇꯥꯏꯃꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯁꯦ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ 10ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯔꯁꯨ ꯋꯥꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯁꯉꯥꯏ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯄꯥꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ
ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯩ ꯊꯦꯡꯀ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯁꯔ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯌꯥꯝꯂꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡꯅ ꯐꯪꯖꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯉꯥꯏ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯖꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯛꯄꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯇꯣꯝ ꯇꯤꯚꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯊꯦꯡꯀ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯁꯔ
ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜ ꯃꯃꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯤꯆꯟꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯈꯪꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯄꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯂꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯈꯪꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯁꯤ Excuse me, sir. We are from Tom TV. Okay.
No, I'm not sure. What I actually want to say is that.
Okay, koigi pot lady duna som side ta lakchage. Are you the owner of the stall?
He is the owner. I have a friend.
Okay. So you are his friend. So may I know your good name? Your good name?
My name? Luchi.
Okay.
Yeah.
And sir, your?
Ernesto.
So where are you actually from? From which country?
We are from Thailand.
Okay,
yeah.
Thailand. So
Thailand is a beautiful country. Yeah.
So I mean, like, what are the varieties or what are the recipes you are bringing here?
We are bringing here the famous and signature. Please come to join to see that sometimes Thai famous and the tom yam also is a famous food.
Okay.
Please welcome.
So what do you call this?
This is one is tamarind. This tamarind when you take it this for the sometimes you have some stomach and not easy to stomach the toilet, right? This one is good for you. Yeah.
Interesting. And what is this?
And this is garlic prince. It's good. This one. Okay.
The price is rupees 100.
100 rupees. This is a special price 50.
And what is this? What is this inside the
skin pork? Skin pork.
How it is made of?
Pardon?
How is it made up of? Like, what are the materials? What do you use this?
The skin pork. Skin pork. Pork pig. Skin pig.
Okay. Maroi na ako okki skin hai tare pork. The skin gi okki skin do na same ba kaino ne ba ko. Okay. So how do you? I mean, like, what's the price? In
100 rupees.
Okay. And what is this? What is this? This packet.
This is the material for the tom yum soup. Yeah, we have the lemongrass, ginger, lamb rib. This is for the tom yum. You can.
Is this for medicinal purpose?
Yeah.
Medicinal purpose?
Yes. For this one you make for the tom yum one piece.
And what's the price?
How much? 100. 100. Yes.
Okay. And I mean, like, this is basically for soup, for making soup. And
yeah, like this.
okay. Maroi na sida phangi ba packet se koi soup ki koi gi kano mathel hai tare sida phangi se pulap yauraga. How do we, I mean, like, make the soup? I mean, like, just put in the water?
You have to put in the water. After that, you're waiting.
I mean, like, do we need to put extra, like, salt, sugar?
Yes, sure. Salt, sugar, and fish salt.
As necessary to put it in the water.
When you put in the water,
Make it this particular soup and then
you're waiting for the boiler. When the boiler, you put in.
For exactly for how many minutes?
About 5 or 10 minutes.
Okay.
Something like
Koi gi maroi na 5 to 10 minutes pa wo put laga sa ba ya ba soup hai tare. Okay, thank you so much. So is this your first time coming to Manipur? First time. How do you feel?
Happy.
Excellent. Great. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Maroi na Thailand gi store hai tare koi gi makhoi gi lamda same sajaba food recipes the cuisines adu gumani phangi se and koi gi hai tare mar tongan ba stall se yam khre manung da na koi gi foreign stall da mayam lai khre mapan da na maroi na koi gi food stalls lai re asom da koi gi on live hai tare husi sudum program adum chathari isai koi event theater drama sing koi gi performance piri ado yam bani na koi gi Sangai Festival se su 10 days oi bani na koi gi iche ga loina na hai tare dum laga kari nong magi kari tauri banu hai ba du mayam da soiduna kudol tamjage dai na isai su kana sai hoi na ngang se sound khara ta bani warani adu lo shala pai tan za tan la pai tan za se pham ji yaw la bani na top tv mo yang beri ba na makhi ba pham da kai na ba ya thak nok jani happy